Using a CSV file to export and import products makes bulk updates easy and saves time on Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and going to Products, then All Products. Click Export and choose whether to export all products, current page, or a selection. Then select CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. Open the downloaded CSV file in Excel, Google Sheets, or another editor and make your bulk changes to product titles, descriptions, prices, inventory, or other fields. Save the CSV file once your updates are complete. Next, return to Shopify, go to Products, and click Import. Choose your updated CSV file. Check the Overwrite any current products with the same handle option if you want to update existing products, and click Import. After the import finishes, preview your store to confirm that all products are updated correctly. After importing, your Shopify products are updated in bulk using the CSV file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.